Hey guys, it's Gigi. Come on into my kitchen, hang out with me while I make a meatloaf, okay? Now, if you have my cookbook and you'll turn to page 38, you will find my Southern meatloaf, okay? All right, it is in my cookbook. And guys, we are going to, looking for my glasses. We are going to do a meatloaf. Go ahead and get it in the oven because it'll need to bake for 45 minutes or so. Okay, so I've got my baking dish. I've got my Brown Piercy Cattle Company ground beef already in my bowl. And to this, we are gonna add some goodness, okay? I've got 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs going in. I've got, let me make sure I'm telling you right. Let me figure out what I've done with my glasses. Okay, so that is 2 pounds of our beef. That's 1 cup of our breadcrumbs. We are going to add 1/4 cup of salsa, any salsa you want. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup. I've already got it poured up, but I've got it in the refrigerator. 1/4 cup, I'm sorry, 1/2 cup of milk. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of, let me make sure, yep, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. That's 1 tablespoon, okay? All right, we've got 1 egg. Okay, we have got, what I've done is I have measured out all of my dry ingredients. Okay, I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now my recipe says one envelope of the McCormick's meatloaf seasoning. Now I did not have a pack, so I'm improvising, okay? I've got Italian seasoning, I've got onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika. I just made up my own meatloaf seasoning, okay? But my recipe tells you 1 envelope of meatloaf seasoning, okay? All right, so that's going in. All right, we have got 1 medium chopped onion.